Hi, my name is Ruth Donnelly from Coachwood Nursery in New South Wales, Australia. We live on a 15-acre farm at Somersby where we have a nursery and an organic produce farm as well. And we also have a dried flower emporium, so we're very busy horticulturalists. And we also collect amazing, rare and unusual plants. I'm going to share some of them with you today. And we have open days, once a month normally, where you can come along and see our collection of amazing plants. This is a Euphorbia. It's one of the Medusa Euphorbias. I'll show you another one in a minute which you will recognise. But this amazing big grey chunky plant, which almost looks like you'd see it growing underwater in the Great Barrier Reef, is just such a long-lived old plant. It's about 15 years old at the moment. It's very heavy, and it's just such an incredible looking plant. When you see it close up, it's just got such amazing form. It has a spiral in the centre, so it's quite interesting, and it actually has 3 seed pods at the moment. So you're going to be familiar with this particular Euphorbia Medusa. This is a very long-lived outdoor succulent. It's not really very good indoors. Sometimes if it is grown inside, the leaves get very thin and tendrily and hang over. That's a sign that it's getting low light. So we grow quite a range of them, and we even have a Medusa head which about 15 years ago turned into a crest, and it just spiraled and contorted, and it's quite incredible to look at that close up too. So you're welcome to come and join us at one of our open days. We open 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on a Friday and a Saturday. The dates are on our website, coachwoodnursery.com, but we also do succulent workshops. So my husband Peter and I run our workshops at 3 p.m. on the Saturday normally, and we have groups of people come in and we just share everything that you need to know about growing the most amazing succulents, how to get the best, the very best from your plants, and so that they live decade after decade after decade. So thank you very much for joining me, and we look forward to you coming to one of our workshops or one of our open days.